In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files before sending them on WhatsApp Web. This is a super handy feature that can save you from sending the wrong file or accidentally sharing something you didn't intend to. So let's delve into this simple yet effective process of previewing your files right within WhatsApp Web. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp Web. If you're not, go ahead and scan the QR code with your mobile phone to pair it with your desktop. Once you're logged in, locate the chat where you intend to send the file. You'll notice a small plus symbol, usually found at the bottom left corner of your chat window. Go ahead and click on this icon to bring up your file selection options. When you click the plus icon, a small menu will pop up presenting you with different file type options. This menu might include options like photos and videos, documents, or even camera. Depending on what type of file you wish to send, you can select the appropriate category. This distinction is important because WhatsApp functionally handles each type of file differently, so choosing the right kind helps streamline your process. For instance, if you intend to send a document, you will select the Documents option. Alternatively, if you're going to send an image or video, select Photos and Videos. Each selection will help you navigate directly to the corresponding folders or areas on your computer where such files are typically stored. Now that you've selected the type of file, your computer's File Explorer will open. This window allows you to browse through your files and folders to find just the right file. Take your time navigating through your directories. Organization here is key to finding your files quickly. Once you've located your chosen file, click it to highlight your selection, and then confirm by clicking Open, or simply double-clicking the file, depending on your operating system. After opening the file, something really useful about WhatsApp Web is its preview feature, which gives you one last chance to check that everything is perfect. This is particularly helpful for ensuring that the contents are exactly what you intend to share. It offers you the opportunity to write a caption or even add more files if needed. Once you're satisfied with your selection and have reviewed your file, you can confidently hit the send button. Using this preview feature is not only efficient, but also enhances the security of your file sharing practice by giving you complete control over what you are sending. Remember, in a world where digital communication is paramount, a little caution goes a long way. And there you have it, a simple yet significant feature of WhatsApp Web. By taking a moment to preview your files, you gain peace of mind in your communication and ensure the right files are being sent every time. So, next time you share a file, remember these easy steps to enhance your WhatsApp Web experience. Thank you.